Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to compile CSV files, multiple CSV files into one single file. So we can see that I have 4 CSV files here, namely batch 1, batch 2, 3, and 4. And I have a Python file. So if I go into this folder or directory, we see the files here, and we see that Python file is saved in the same directory. So let me just explain the code a bit. So I'm just importing pandas as pd. So this is the alias, right? And I'm importing path from the library pathlib. And these are the steps to compile CSV files into a single CSV file. Okay, so first step is get the directory where the script is located. This is the code. And step 2 is to list all CSV files in the directory using a for loop and if statement. And this is the code. And step 3 is initialize an empty list to hold data frames. That would be this. So data frames here is just a list. And step 4 is to loop through the list of CSV files or read each one into a data frame. And step 5 is concatenate all data frames into a single data frame. And step 6 is save the combined data frame to a CSV file. And step 7 is to print a confirmation message in the console. So we see that the print message is data from number of CSV files that have been combined and the file, the name of the file. Let me just open the CSV file and show you the contents. So the contents is, we have these actually are list of switches, Cisco switches. This code is really useful if you have a lot of CSV files that you have to combine, and there's no limit on how many files you can combine. So we see that it has the same content, columns, and if I open batch 3, same, and batch 4 as well. Okay, so let me go ahead and close the files. Okay, let me go ahead and run the code now. Okay, we see that it ran successfully. So it says data from 4 files have been combined and saved to this directory and file. And this is the name of the file, combined _output.csv. And if I go to that folder, this is the file the combined file. So we see that we have 64 entries, or switches in this case, Cisco switches. So that's how you can quickly compile CSV files, multiple CSV files into a single CSV file. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.